Hi everyone! Today, let's draw Johnny's Coffee Shop. This cute retro restaurant was declared a historical landmark by the Los Angeles City Council in November 2013. The architects were Louis Armé and Eldon Davis. Johnny's is located on what is called the Miracle Mile, and it first opened in 1956, but unfortunately closed in the year 2000. I've seen it and walked by this place so many times, but I've never went in. This restaurant has appeared in many movies such as The Big Lebowski, American History X, and a few music videos. And with that said, this particular side we'll be drawing today is perfect for beginners to draw. So let's get started. So if you look at this photo, all there is are rectangles. Rectangles side by side, underneath each other, different sizes. I mean, this is really easy. Remember, this is just a sketch, so don't worry too much about the proportions and perspective if you're just beginning. Just get something down on paper, and the more you practice, the better you'll get. With that said, I think anyone can draw, and here are a few reasons why. Number one, because I learned my drawings were less than cute, at least to me. Don't get me wrong, I still need a lot of fine tuning in my art, but when I was in animation production, I was drawn to the layout designers and background painters, and they actually encouraged me to draw. They said I can learn how to draw, take art classes, take life drawing classes, and that's basically what started me on my art journey. If these amazing artists are actually telling me that I can draw, I can learn how to draw, then you know what, I'm gonna go for it. Which leads me into my second reason why I think anyone can draw. If they're giving me this advice, then you don't need formal art school. Take Domestika or Skillshare courses, even watch YouTube channels for free. It doesn't cost anything. There are amazing artists who have gone to school and know how to teach really well on YouTube, and others who are self-taught who are amazing artists. And draw every single day. You will definitely see an improvement. These aren't the only reasons why I think anyone can draw, but the last one I'll give today is because drawing is just a formula. It's something to memorize, just like math or learning a musical instrument. If you think about it, if you practice a song and memorize it playing guitar, then you can memorize how to draw a historical landmark, a bus, a cat, a dog. Just practice that drawing over and over again, like you would practice a song, practice Excel formulas, and it will come to you naturally eventually. At least this is how I learned. Because I wanted to focus on urban sketching, I just kept drawing different kinds of windows, different kinds of doors, different types of houses, whether it's craftsman houses or A-frame houses. I just kept drawing them over and over, and obviously I still need practice, but that's what helped me develop my skills in urban sketching. Now, I've taken other classes like life drawing classes, which helped tremendously as well, but I'm just kind of speaking from like the very beginning stages. Just practice and memorize, and when you take the other classes and read other books, they'll help you develop other skills when it comes to art. I am by no means taking away or minimizing the natural talent of the many artists I admire out there, because I definitely don't have natural talent. I'm just saying we can all learn to draw. We can all learn to do anything we focus on and put our mind to. Okay, enough rambling. I'll save my rambling for another video. So back to the sketch. Right now I am drawing the door, which are just two squares on top of one another, and now I'm drawing the little frame or molding. I think what I had difficulty on was keeping the proportions correct. The space that's between the molding, I kind of scrunched it up a little bit, but it's okay. It's a sketch. Like I said in my previous videos, you know, can't beat ourselves up too much, and it doesn't have to be perfect all the time. You know, as long as we get the basic shape of the structure that we're trying to draw, then we'll be okay. We'll be good. I'll continue to draw this, and then I will ink it with a fine liner, a 003 fine liner. Then I will color it and finish it up with a thicker liner, and then I think that's it. So let's finish this up, and I will see you on the other side. Okay, y'all, it looks like we're about finished. I'm just adding, my typical stipples, my little dots that I like to add for texture. I'll be adding splashes of paint to the final drawing, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. Remember, stay positive, stay creative, and be kind. See you in the next video.